Hi, I'm Yacine. Yacine for those who don't know. Anyway, we're gonna be making DIY Starburst candy. Strawberry flavor, the first one. Okay, so first we're gonna get our
melt together all the ingredients. So for your ingredients, we have strawberry powder, which Yacine is now putting in the bowl. A third packet.
Oh my god, it's taking so long. Okay, so this is
We need 1/3 cup, so this should be fine. After this fourth packet, we should be good. Or 2 more packets.
Okay, and then we need.
Now we need to.
Oh my god, I'm so cute. Alright, here's coconut oil. God, this is so dry. Okay,
Next, we need 1 tablespoon of water.
Okay, 1 tablespoon of water.
Yeah.
So you put the butter and the strawberry powder and the water in. Now we're putting coconut butter in it.
So we need a 1/3 cup of coconut butter.
Oh. Oh. One-third cup of coconut butter. That's true. Oh my god. It's so dumb. That's a dash. And then
Now lastly we need 1 tablespoon of maple syrup.
And then we're gonna melt it.
So we're gonna put it in the microwave for around 45 seconds first.
Okay. 30 seconds. Wait. Okay.
30 seconds.
Okay. Let's keep going. 15, 14, 13. So yeah, I love Starburst. My favorite is orange. Red is the worst. It's the worst. Like red and pink. Ew. I don't even know what flavors they are, but yeah. Okay. Let's do it for 10 more seconds. 20 more seconds. Let's see. How do you... 0.
And so now we're gonna pour this into the silicone molds.
Yeah. So I'm just gonna take this and yeah. I'm gonna put it in here. To make it easy to pour up. Okay, good. And we got some here, and here, and here. Oh, this is actually really good. Okay. Now that we've done that, we're going to freeze it for 20 minutes.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so.
Hey guys, it's Aida. I am going to be making the orange Starburst now because Yacine just made the strawberry one. So the first thing I have to do is
blend all the ingredients together.
Yeah, I'm going to blend all the ingredients together. So the first thing I'm going to blend is the coconut oil. Yeah. Mm-hmm. So I need 1 1/2 teaspoon of this. Coconut.
Then the ingredients are mandarin orange slices, coconut oil, coconut butter, maple syrup, orange zest, a few drops of orange essential oil. I think this is gonna come out really good, but it's also gonna come out like less.
Yeah, it could be really like really bad. Okay, so now we have our mixture, our orange mixture, so we're going to put it in one of these trays, just like we did the strawberry one. These are not gonna freeze good, I already know.
And physical changes to the complex science of freezing and melting.
When we melted all of our ingredients together, not only was it a chemical change, because when all the ingredients melted together, they changed their structure and were not able to get their original form back. Each of the individual ingredients came together to form one substance. All of the ingredients obtain their own chemical elements, which are composed of tightly packed molecules. When energy in the form of heat is applied to these molecules, they begin to lose their tightness and become more loose because they are moving around at a faster pace. As the structure of all of the ingredients become more and more loose, this allows for more movement to occur between all the ingredients, causing them to lose their structure and form a liquid from their original state as a solid.
Although we were not able to add food coloring, adding food coloring to each of our mixtures is what gives it the color that associate with the food. Each food coloring gets its color from a specific series of chemical elements. Each color has its own molecular formula. The ones we were going to use were red number 40, which is C16H10, N2, Na2, O7, and S2, and orange, which is C16H10, N2, Na2, O7, and S2. These molecules are typically ionic solids and contain positive and negative ions that are held together by ionic bonds. When food coloring is dissolved in the water, the color remains because the molecules absorb in some wavelengths of light and allows others to pass, which is what results in the color that we see.
In order for our starburst to obtain the shape we wanted, we had to freeze our mixtures. When any liquid is cooled, the average energy of the molecules decreases. At a later point, the amount of heat that is removed is enough for the attractive forces to be drawn tightly together, causing the liquid to freeze to a solid. Once placed in the fridge or freezer, the heat of the mixture begins to decrease, and the molecules slowly become tightly packed together when the coldness is applied to it.
Multiple physical and chemical changes occur in the making of our project. A physical change is when something alters its outside or physical appearance, whilst a chemical change is when something changes its actual form and becomes something else. For example, when all of the ingredients are melted and mixed together, that is a chemical change because we are not actually able to get those ingredients back. Also, heat was used for this aspect, which aids in the idea of it being a chemical change. When the food coloring was applied to the mixtures, this was a physical change because the actual appearance of the mixture was layered. Another example of physical change was when the mixture was put into the mold and frozen because the liquid mixture could be brought back if we chose to do so. Thank you.